that means I have to take this thing off. So I see 3 little plastic things here I'm going to pop out. So just a little plastic pry tool to pry that off. All it is a little rubber cap that is covering up that hole. So inside here, there's supposed to be 3 screws that I can undo with the little Allen key, but there's only carpet behind there. All right, well, it turns out if you take a 5mm Allen key here and you kind of stick it in towards the top a little bit and pull down on the carpet, you can get it back in here and fiddle around with it for a while, and then it should stick into something that you cannot see. And then because I don't get any leverage on here, I'm going to take a 5mm socket, and that will fit on the end to give me some more leverage here. And I'll push this down so that I can turn this to the left. That's easier. And just loosen it and go do that for the other 3. Now, if you need help getting this started, I think you can use a plastic pry tool and just pull up on this. So now that it's loose, okay, now it comes out. So if it won't come out, make sure those are loose. So this is what it looks like under here. You can see this. The thing you pull has a little hook with the cable that runs up to the front release. And the one here has the same little hook to the cable that runs to the back. So with this pulled up, you can see the wires. I assume these are the wires that they ran to my trunk for my backup camera. That's one thing I did not install. And when you look inside here, you can see what I was loosening now. So it is these bolts that have a washer on them. And when you tighten these things, they tighten against this part over here. So definitely have to loosen those, and then that will allow you to lift up. And the other thing that's holding them in are these pins going into the holes. So that's what we had to pull up and release. There's 3 on that side and 3 on this side. This little hook here drops down into this thing that goes in and out.